Okay, well, let's get started. To do the homework, like, once I figured out how to do the formula, like, it made sense.
Yeah, I know. It was kind of confusing at first.
Yeah, but, like, the video walked you through, like, the whole assignment. So,
Really nice.
I know. So, I don't know if I would have been able to do it without it.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Well, let's get started then so we can be done. I already started number 1 just because it's 1.
Yeah, that's what I put too.
Okay. And then 4, under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis.
I put false.
Okay, I should go look at the book, to be completely honest.
Yeah. Because I don't think it ever goes below.
The horizontal.
It just goes close to the line.
Yeah, I would say false then too. Okay. A normal distribution curve is symmetric. That's true, isn't it?
Number 5, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sweet. Use this following image to answer the next 2 questions. Okay.
So I put C for 6.
Yeah. I know, like, at first I looked at that graph and I seriously had no idea what to do. But then once he explained it, that's literally like the number that you see. Which of the following represents the score will be greater than 1?
Yeah, this one I didn't really know.
I want to say B. Because like when we looked, we clicked that box during homework at least. That's my best guess.
Yeah. Yeah, because everything usually equals 1 though.
That's true. My guess is going to be B because C is the z-score. And hey, there he is.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay. We literally the food's on the stove. Go start.
Thanks, buddy.
I would have to say B because A is both graphs. Like.
You wouldn't think it was none of the above.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
So that one it would just be.
Well, because that rule. What percentage of the data from the bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation? Wouldn't that be the 68?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Okay, just because, like, the definition. Okay. I'll catch you up in a minute.
Thanks, yeah, no worries.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, so 9, so 10, distribution. What portion of the equations?
Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the applicant to answer to the question, what portion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1?
So would we just type in 1?
I think, yeah, on the lower half it'd be -1 and then 1, and then that would leave the area at 0.3173. Does it need us to round to a certain decimal, or?
Oh wait, yeah, cut it off at 3.
Okay, so round to the, so yeah. .317.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. King. Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Well, it said between -1 and 1. So when we click the middle,
Oh.
That would make sense. Yeah, you would.
So in that case, it'd be the .683.
yeah.
Thanks for catching
Good
that.
catch that. Yeah, seriously.
Suppose the z-score came from a standard normal distribution.
-2 and 2.
Sweet, I did it. So would it be the 9? The point?
Yeah, .955.
Did you get that too? Were you able to get that one? Sorry, we can't hear you at all if you're talking.
Oh, no, I'm not. I was just trying to hear you guys.
Oh, sorry.
You guys aren't saying anything.
Sorry, we can't tell who's frozen, if it's us or you.
Okay.
Okay, now it's -3 and 3.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're really just following like the rule
Yeah,
Right, we just
for the bell.
keep it in the middle and just keep expanding it out, yeah?
Yeah.
look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. Yeah, so you got it. It follows the rule. Right, is that the one you're answering?
Mhm. Yeah, number 12.
Matches the 68, 95, 99 rule?
Mhm.
Awesome.
Sweet. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6 grams? Whoa, what is this?
So we use the information.
So you would do that formula, right? That they.
Oh, the z-score formula?
Yeah, that's what I would think.
Yeah. I think all the crazy numbers are just like the type or the unit.
So let's see,
V
our
equals 0.60 minus, what's the rest of it? Oh, there's a whole thing up here. Minus the population
0.65, right?
Mhm.
Or
is 0.07.
0.07. Let me throw that in the calculator.
Yeah.
Divided by 0.07. Okay, I've got negative 0.714.
Yeah, I do too. So then do we type that into the graph thing?
Yeah.
It's
So,
asking for the proportion.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, and then we want the lower half, right? So we'll shade.
Less than, so you shade the first half, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
So
that
did you
makes
get
it
0.238?
Uh-huh.
perfect. Okay. Now we need to find that is more than,
Okay.
which you just would,
So then that shade.
it would be 2.41. I mean 2 point,
No, it'd be 0.241, right?
I have 0.237.
I think I might have
0.714. You missed.
7. Oh yeah, sorry, I messed it up.
What are you doing? 0.714.
So good. Hurt either.
0.237.
Well, it'd be 0.8, right?
So now we need to,
Okay.
yes. So now we need to do number 15. Calculation.
Yeah.
Oh, for 14, I didn't hear you guys. Did you click on the?
We fixed it. We just had a typo. So it's 0.238. Is that what you got?
Okay, yeah.
Sweet.
So does that? Because that's the same as 13 and 14, right?
I was asking if we click on the middle. Well, but I don't think we do because it's asking greater than.
More than, less than.
So I don't know. I think that's fine.
Go ahead and unshade that second half. Yeah, that's weird.
The same. Okay.
Didn't we had a problem like this before?
Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay, so if we continue, then we've got a new formula. So we got to change the 60 for 0.7.
Yep. Which would be
What was that?
so now on number 15. The number changed to the 0.70, so we're just recalculating the z-score.
Okay.
So our new z-score will be 0.714.
Is that what you got as well?
Yeah.
And it's asking us for that's less than, so it'd be 0.238.
That doesn't make any sense.
Wait. I think, what did we divide the first one by?
We did 0.60 minus 0.65 over 0.07.
Because it has point.
Which would absolutely make sense because we got the negative 0.714, and then this next one we have a positive 0.714.
Oh, okay. And so we're just subtracting that different number, right?
Yeah, so it'd be the
Doing
the new problem is 0.70 minus 0.65 over 0.7. So on the first one that we did, we had a negative 0.5 on top. On the second one, we just have a positive 0.5. And then both of those over 7 are going to be the same answer, but one's going to be negative, one's going to be positive. I think.
Okay. Number?
That's what I think. I think that's what she's trying to show us is that if it's positive or negative, they'll still have the same.
Okay.
I guess, if we get it wrong, we can always reevaluate.
Yeah.
Okay. Find the area between two values.
What are you reading? Find the probability.
Oh, yeah. I was
Randomly select the person will have a protein requirement of 0.60.
So we had one of these also in our.
So what would we do?
Let's.
It says on here you just calculate them both, hit the middle, and then subtract the smaller from the larger.
So does that mean we would
Tell me what you get when you get it.
Okay. But weren't our areas the same on both?
One's positive, one's negative, so I would think it's 0.
That doesn't make any sense.
But that's why I think that.
Huh.
Okay, let's look at the hint. So remember to find the area between two values. Shade to the left of each z-score. Calculate and subtract small.
Yeah, but I mean, if they're both the same number, then it would just be 0.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. Drop your answer to decimal places. Didn't the reading have us find what percentile?
Third.
The 10th. I forgot how we found that though.
35th, we'd put in the area 0.35, right?
Mm-hmm. Just put the z-score as 1. Maybe.
I think it'll change. If we put it in the area, it'll change the z-score.
Oh, you think?
Well, just that's what the applet does.
Oh. Yeah, you're right.
So then would our answer be?
So we need to find the 30th and the 80th percentile.
So, So what would we put for the 30th or the 35th percentile?
Well, I put 0.454. And then for 80, you would just put at the top point, or for the area, 0.8.
Okay.
The z-score would be the 1.2.
So what did we get for that last answer?
1.282. Because if we're just plugging it into the...
Yeah. You want to get caught up on the top?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 3 is 1. False.
I can go ahead and submit it.
Okay. C, B. 68. And then you're caught up. How'd it go?
It's still loading.
I'm not trying to sound like you.
Okay.
So we missed 5. We missed
All of the ones.
all the ones we missed from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
That's
Yeah.
Oh, and yeah, so we missed 14 down.
dang.
Yeah. Dang.
What portion
Okay.
of Have approach.
Wasn't there like another formula?
Do you remember the formula where we had the z, but we
Yeah.
needed to solve for?
So is this the population then? We need to solve for z? No, because it says the population mean is 0.65 and the standard deviation is 0.07.
Mm-hmm.
So like I feel like we were doing it right.
Yeah, so how do you do more than? I think, we need to shade, in my notes, we have to shade the middle one too to get more than.
Okay, so how do we?
Okay, so plug in the 0.714.
That's our z-score, huh?
You want to shade in the middle? So would it be
0.762.
Get there.
is that what you got?
Yeah, I'm trying to reload the page, but
Oh, sorry. We'll wait for you.
How do we do less than?
238.
False.
Okay, so we just put the z-score as 0.238, right?
I put the z-score as 0.714.
Because remember when we found it, it was the 0.71. Actually, it was negative.
But yeah, but your
Yeah,
applet
it'll
should fix
show
it for you.
Yeah. So you guys are getting 0.7.
6.2.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Now, how would we do less than?
Less than is just to mark. Didn't we get that one right?
No, we missed 15 as well.
Oh, yeah, because we got. Oh, well, that one. Then
Well,
for 13,
right.
but
Oh,
then the number changes.
Yeah, we got 13 right, but then 14 is now the 0.762.
right. And then 15 we got wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we need to do less than
So we got to do it just how we did
the last one.
13. But why is that wrong?
Yeah, because I thought we did it already the same way.
Okay, well, how did we miss 16? Okay, 16 just because we need to plug in that new number we got, and now it will make sense.
Yeah, it does.
And then we missed 17 and 18. But so, because once we fix that number, it should fix everything else.
All right.
Do you have any ideas how to calculate it?
Looking at the textbook.
Okay. How'd you get that number?
Instead of substituting this one, I kept that one and substituted that one. I don't know if that's.
Why? But that's been the population that hasn't changed. Because we need to get this one where we get 16, 17, and 18. Wait a second. Now look, plug in the 0.714 and then just shade the two like you just did for this one.
Yeah, but we're less than. So we can get the more than.
I have no idea.
0.7.
This one?
Because if we got this on 60 and this on 70,
Uh-huh.
then it asks for the area between. So if we shade the middle, is between 60 and 70. So then it'd be 0.525.
You can try it. What was it?
525.
Do you want to explain how you got it? She's not behind.
Uh-huh. Are you still working on 15, Jensen?
Yeah.
I think I figured out 16
Okay.
because if it's asking the requirement between 0.60 and 0.70, we had the same z-score for both of them. So if we plug that into the applet as negative 0.714 and then positive 0.714 for the z-scores, then we shade the middle of it, it'll give us the area of 0.525, which I think would be the answer.
Okay.
Okay, so then how can we do 17 and 18 without knowing 15?
I don't know, 15's really killing me. I don't know why it's not working out.
Yeah, that's so weird like that. It's the same.
One's positive, yeah.
Or, like, I genuinely have no idea. Will it let us, will we be able to do 17 and 18 without having to?
To me.
You don't know 15 and you think it's. Well, 13 and 14 were the ones with the. How do we calculate the 35th and the, what was the other one?
Idiot.
I have no idea. I had to
Question.
do it before I did it right. I guess I could try to watch the video again.
Yeah. I mean, I'm reading just to find the percentiles. I mean, it just says to type it in at the top like we did.
Okay.
But it says to click on the area, the middle and the edge. Then type in the
Which edge?
percent. I don't think, well, it says, I think it's the left. In the picture, it's the left.
Okay.
Okay.
So then that would make,
That would give
so
our
then we would have to
z-score.
calculate like from everything because we have Z. So
Yeah.
Z is 0.842 equals X minus
65.65 over.
0.07.
Yep, and then we times,
What?
so.
Yeah.
We times.
I think I figured it out.
Okay, with the new way we figured it out, I have 0.709 for the 80th percentile.
Yeah, because that's X. Do you see how we did that?
Yeah, so you did the formula with,
Yeah, so like we have, well, I did it right here. So like we have X, Z, and so then we just had to find X and we plugged it in like normal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we were just missing a step. So what was it?
It is 0.709.
Okay, and so then we do the same thing
35th, yeah.
for the 35th. That was for 80. So okay, what's
And then
the
0.385.
okay equals X minus 0.65 over 0.07 would equal. I might just leave 15 blank.
Okay, so if we did 35th, it'd be 0.677.
Okay, you want to try to submit it now?
Yeah.
I might just leave 15 blank. Like, I don't see another way to do it.
Okay, I'm going to submit it and see if we at least got the other ones right.
Okay.
We got 18 right. We missed 17. We got 16 right.
Okay, so our calculations must have been off for 17. It's not 0.677. Are you sure you did that correctly? You did
Mm-hmm.
you did 0.35 into the thing? Can you pull it back
What was
up?
it? Let's see.
Or we're in the 35th percentile.
Right, so 0.35.
0.0.
Yeah, okay, I know what I did. We didn't.
Okay, we figured out. There's a, what happened?
We forgot shade the middle side of it.
Oh,
So the new answer should be I just don't know how much to round because they're all 9s. Okay, so it should be 0.695 for 18.
What is it? 0.695?
Or I mean, not for 18, for 17.
Okay. And 15, like, I guess we can look at it
15.
one more time.
Yeah,
That is less than 0.70. Did we have a question like that on here?
It's kills me because it's the exact same question as the one we got right above it.
oh.
Okay, so why don't we go and watch the tutorial video for section 7D because that's how they're doing the same exact problem.
Okay.
On the problem, okay, because he said minus it by 1. And that's at least what I have in my notes. And he was like minus 1 by the faster, and then you get that, and then you plug that in, and you just work backwards again.
Okay, I can see that.
Does that make sense? Like, that's just how we did it in the video. He minused 1 by the speed over, so more than, and then we want a speed that's less than. He just minused it by 1, so 1 minus.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing? So 1 minus is 0.525, right?
Mm-hmm.
What?
1 minus. Where are you at? Would be 0.475, but this doesn't make sense because we didn't do any of it for the one before.
I think that one you're just finding more than.
Oh, is this one?
This is the less than.
Okay, so is this our x?
I forgot how we plugged it back in. I would have to watch the video. Okay, because look. That is less than, you did 1,500 minus 1,800. Okay, you gotta backtrack your own notes. I don't know what you did. Because like 7D is the exact same of what we're trying to do right now.
Right. And it's exactly what we did right here. Is what I have in my notes.
Okay, let's watch the video. We're gonna watch the video super quick.
Okay.
Just for that one section.
I mean, we could even like email our teacher, our instructor.
True.
The mean speed of hydrogen at room temperature is 1,800 in order to plug it into the normal probability applet. So our z-score, our background standard deviation, which would be a z-score of 1, is 600. And if you went 600 above 18, you'd be at 2,400. We were at 2,500. So the fact that we're randomly selecting a particle with speed faster than 2,500, 0.5. Or another way, trying to show this graphic. 2, and there is the probability of finding a particle between 1,500 meters per second of 0.6745 is equal to our x value, which is what we're looking for, x value at the 1,700. Plug that into your calculator and you get x slow or even slower than 22 zeros per second. Okay, now remember that represents the third quartile, and that third quartile means that 75% of the particles are as slow or even slower than 22 dice. The probability of rolling up there. And what's cool, we selected
Okay,
particle has
I
a
found
speed
it.
that's less than
Pay
2,500
attention.
meters per second. Okay, so our probability that it was 0.8. Probability that it was faster. And the last question was 0.1216. And what's cool is that if you remember from our rules about probabilities, the probability that it was slower
So this is asking
is just
about
1
portions,
minus.
not probabilities. What portion?
But I don't know.
Jensen, do you have any ideas on it?
I don't, because like looking back
Because it,
the beginning, it
Sorry, you
asks
cut out. What were you saying?
like because like less than, I don't know, because it should be just the same way that we did.
right, it's the exact same problem as 13, but we're just substituting 60 for 70.
Yeah. I don't know why it's the same.
No, I just try to calculate it again. Could have done something wrong.
That's what I'm doing. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Got the same answer.
I'm just gonna try it and just not round. Not
Yeah, it's the exact same.
0.2376.
Yeah.
Okay. We have everything updated, don't we? Like all our answers.
Yeah.
Okay, I might just try it one last time. I think I'm just gonna email her after this to see.
Try to figure it out.
Okay, 17's still wrong, and 15's wrong still.
Thirty-fifth. Jensen, what do you have for 17?
Let me see. Six.
0.695? Is that what you have?
And 5. 17.
Yeah, it's still wrong.
Here, let's see your notes again. I'm so confused because we calculate them the exact same way.
9.
I might just email her about them. Wait, you got a
Wait
9
a second. Now it's telling me I got a 9 out of 10. That's weird.
I'll submit mine and I'll see what I get.
Yeah, I'm just gonna email her about 15. Like, I just left it blank.
Yeah, 15, 17 still shows wrong. But I don't know why.
So I submitted mine, like I'm done, but I'm just gonna shoot her an email, and like when I get a response, I'll forward it to you.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, do you have any other questions for us?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, see ya.
Okay. Good night.